Hi all everybody. Hi to everybody. Just I have been roaming here in parking area. I just wanted to show a big beast. Okay. Just wait to watch. Okay. I'm so surprised and shocking experience to have a ride with this bike. Just now I tried a small ride with this bike. Just look at it. It is very awesome. It's an Himalayan Royal Enfield bike. See, stand itself, how huge it is. Big it is. See how big the tank is. Wow. It's an awesome experience of riding this bike. So this is a completely off-roading bike. You can go simply to the long drives to Himalayas and all other mountain areas like Ladakh and all. This machine, this beast, okay. So this is a big beast actually. You may not be able to recognize how big it is in video, but in live I can experience that how big the bike is. This is my relative's bike in Bangalore. He goes for a long ride with his bike occasionally. So very awesome experience today to me. Just wanted to share this with you all too. So if possible, go and have a test ride of this bike in Royal Enfield showroom nearby to your place. సో నాకు మాత్రం చాలా చాలా థ్రిల్లింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇది. సో ఫైనలీ I made this today. I had a little ride over here. So I'll share in some other time the other experience with this bike if I go for some little bit longer ride with this. So once in lifetime we have to experience riding with this big beast. It's a kind of a super bike, but it's not. It's a completely off-roading vehicle. Nice, awesome experience you can get. If you like the content, please give your support with your like and subscription. You can continue watching cool videos like this while doing walking, cycling, jogging and all. Thank you so much. Bye.